When we need to merge multiple PDF files into a new PDF file quickly, we can use the Merge Document feature of WPS. Just click Merge Document to merge multiple documents into one document to summarize information efficiently and view and summarize documents more easily. Open the PDF file that needs to be merged, Material 1. Click Tools, choose Edit, find the Merge Document option, and select the document material to be merged. Here we choose Material 2 and Material 3. Choose Start Merging and save. Then we can merge documents. Open the merged file, and we can see that multiple documents have been merged into one document. This feature can simplify a lot of repetitive manual operations. We can quickly integrate multiple PDF files with just one click to make our work more efficient. What a practical feature! This feature is exclusive to members. You're welcome to open WPS Premium to enjoy it immediately. Did you get it?